Buying stuff means extra worry to our lives. So invest in experiences. Psychological studies say an experience may generate positive, long lasting memories and happiness. Over time, people's satisfaction with the things they buy decreases, whereas their satisfaction with experiences increases. Employees of Apple, Google, and Facebook have disclosed that large tech companies intentionally design apps to be addictive. Facebook and Instagram users can develop a dependency on the apps as one would a painkiller. Social media addiction leads to depression, anxiety, eating disorders, lower self esteem, etc. Dogs are faithful and friendly. It's in their genes. A new study says there is a link between certain genes and canine behavior, such as paying attention to strangers. Dogs often choose a favorite person who matches their own energy level and personality. Human can learn loyalty, unconditional love, simple mindset, being selfless from dogs. A dog is your best friend who will never betray you. Every 10 years, you become a new person, and you may not recognize yourself in 10 years. It's not a myth, but rather a scientifically proven fact that our bodies and minds change every 10 years. Famous psychologist Daniel Gilbert says people generally fail to appreciate how much their personality and values will change in the year ahead, even though they recognize that they have changed in the past. Personality can change over a lifetime and usually for the better. What's in a name? A person's name is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. When someone remembers our name after meeting us, we feel respected and more important. It makes a positive and lasting impression on us. Using a person's name in conversation has several benefits. Over 70% of customers expect a personalized experience when they walk in the door. Solitude can enhance the quality of your relationships with others. By spending time with yourself and gaining a better understanding of who you are and what you desire in life, you are more likely to make better choices about who you want to be around. Emotions can affect not just the nature of the decision, but the speed at which you make it. Your gut feeling plays a huge part in decision-making process. Wild emotions lead to irrational decisions, so it is advisable to bury your emotions rather than address them at the time of taking important decisions. Human brain invests so much energy for day-to-day activity and doesn't want to give extra resources to do new things. Getting out of your comfort zone enhances your focus, creativity, and peace. If you are not where you want to be, you need to take action towards your goal instead of reading self-help books and watching inspiring videos. The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you can attract great things into your life. To get things done, you need to take action. Things seldom happen on their own.